My people, how are they? Well, welcome to today Obogas News. My name is Siremen A.U. David Yawami Alu. One. Yes, now one, not the level. One of the universe. My people, today we get Obogas News one channel now because the matter that will happen for our Budo country Nigeria. It is many things. If we just say, okay, this one, it go before we say Jack Robinson will come. So we want just take time on these things when it just happen. I want just make a sharp so that this video not go too long, because many things they won't want put together for inside this particular news, because many things it happen. So we want just put them small so that we will just get a sharp. My people, before we go inside the news, in case you never subscribe, you. Don't laugh now, don't laugh. You, in case you never subscribe, just put hand now. Help your brother, help us to help you. Because many things there when you enjoy for this channel, when they do film, when they do comedy, we see they talk news journal, as we just drop and go, they see come from that. Where it will come? Is it your phone or your tablet? Or it will come anyone when you they use, so that you will enjoy them. We don't need to send that to you before you see it. Now the matter be that one, my people. Today we will go, we want to talk about the matter when they happen, because as we they see now, I just as we they see now, my people, the matter be say our president Shebaba, the Buhari himself, don't do will come out again. You know the matter we dey talk because before the government come to power, they don't promise many things what they will do. One of the things when they promise be say they will do hospital, say medical tourism will stop. So this government don't spend 6 years. This is the 6th year in power. So they never feel build hospital for Nigeria when it be say they will do checkup, not even treatment, to check up. If you don't understand that, make I break them down. That is, they will take you broad for body. For labo, take do analysis, check whether you get anything for body, whether it is sick, whether it go so sick, whether his system high be. So now this one, now he enter plane, go Lord one go do. So after 6 years, the federal government don't feel do anything, build any hospital to make sure say our government official, especially our president, will do checkup. Within these 6 years of his power, being in power, they have allocated and approved 13 billion naira to renovate and equip the Aso Rock clinic. That is the clinic when in the presidential villa, when the president and the family members supposed to go. They have spent 13 billion naira within these 6 years, yet they cannot do checkup in that place. I don't understand it. I don't understand why you will be spending money and the result will not come. Yet the government is fighting corruption. I don't want to go the corruption side today. The government is fighting corruption. You are spending money and we are not seeing results. Now, another thing that shocked me inside is going to London for checkup, and they make it clear to us that they are going to spend 2 good weeks. Who does that? Which person how what they use 2 weeks they do checkup? Truly, if you want, I don't understand it. Somebody wants to do checkup, 24 hours is enough for you to do. Okay, let's say 2-3 days. 2 good weeks. Not only will he spend our money on his medical bill, he will spend the money also on the entourage that followed him. And the presidential jet will also be packed, and they will pay millions of pounds on that for these 2 weeks. Taxpayers' money that we are saying we don't have. So how can you just go and spend 2 weeks in just check up? Nothing wrong with you. Check up. Now, after that, this man traveled, leaving the country, and he did not delegate power to the vice president to act on his behalf. No. So the country is just there, and this man Shehu Gaba told us that on Channel television, what did they call like this channel, Politics Today, say the president can preside over the country from London. Just we send him the thing. If it takes for us to take the document to him, for him to sign, we will take it. And we have vice president. He will be. I don't understand it. My people, I don't know where the government is going. The government of Buhari, and I'm saying this because many people I know say some will abuse me on this issue. Say it need to go. I don't know why. In fact, Shehu Gaba said the Nigerian doctors are not competent enough. I don't get it. So you mean to tell me Nigerian doctors cannot do checkup, ordinary checkup, and we don't even know if in the London he went whether it's still Nigerian doctor, Nigerians that will do the checkup for him. But how are you going to compare Nigerian doctors with the London doctors who have the equipment, who everything that they need to do the job is being provided for, and the number one citizen who is saddled with the responsibility of putting this in place for the country to work, refuse to do, and they are saying that they are incompetent? Would they use their blood? No. They need equipment. They need a standard equipment. They need a standard hospital to run this thing. Have spent 30 billion naira on one clinic, and yet we did not see anything in that clinic. So they should explain to us. And now, for a record, for within these 6 years, okay, last year he did not travel because of the COVID. Now he didn't travel. Okoro Day. From 2015 to today, and he didn't travel last year. He had traveled for medical tourists for 13 good times. Somebody who has these challenges, yet he refused to fix the hospital in his country. He's going to another country who their president fixed their own. We should ask them the question. We should hold them accountable. My people, now as we see this one reach, now be this one. So make we go to the next one. Make we see how this Nigeria they work out, they be. My people. See, this one, it shocked me. It shocked me that people are dying in Nigeria. The police are not doing anything. The Fulani herdsmen are killing people. We get different reports every day. Put on. Police commence investigation into the death of 22 cows. Police commence investigation into the death of 22 cows. Thousands of people have been killed, but the police don't do anything about this. Leah Shaibu is in the captivity. Now we make this report before. The police has not opened an investigation on that matter. And that girl now don't give birth the second time. Second child in captivity. So my people, I don't know whether the government priority is for animals, cows, because now this same government we see the elephant swallow money, porcupine swallow money, rabbit, chicken, cow, and ant, and even mosquito. They are taking money. Now cow is the one on board. I don't know why the government will prefer investigating the death of cow than investigating the death of human being, because we know the havoc these cattle rearers have done. The havoc they done. This one happened in Ondo State, not even Northern State now. Ondo State. Now the police command of Ondo do this investigation. Ondo State Command is investigating the cause of the death of 22 cows in Akuba Akoko Southwest local government area of the state. My people, as we just look this one, they say, "How waiting they happen? Waiting they happen? Waiting they happen?" Now we hear, "Bing." Now, our brother Femi Adesina. Femi Adesina come out denying waiting their own media reports. Their own media, the government media reports to Oxy Buhari during the time 2015 that Buhari was actually campaigning, and he said, I quote, "I will make Naira equal to value to dollar," says Buhari. That is Vanguard. Vanguard newspaper belongs to the government. It's one of their reputable newspaper media in Nigeria. So it's government-owned outlets. Now they report this thing in 2015 during the time he was campaigning. They do not deny it. They waited and they relaxed that Buhari said he will make the dollar equal with Naira. Then dollar was 230 or to 280 Naira. That time 2015 when they make this promise saying they are going to make it $1 to 1 Naira. So people can't be happy. All these promises can make waiting people vote for them. Now we are trying to bring them to accountable to tell them, say, this is my promise. Now put this waiting Femi talk. Una say Femi talk and say Buhari never promised that. And the time when he be say Buhari take promise, all of them they see him. We talk him. They not deny him. They not say anything. Now that we are telling them to do what they say, they are telling us that they didn't say so. My people, as they make this news now, so they talk to you now, dollar is about 480 to 500 Naira. $1 now. The thing don't even double, whether not triple will talk, it don't double itself. Now the thing is almost 500, if not more than 500 now. So the government is denying because they know that they have failed. Every area, every sector, the government, this government don't, I don't know what to talk. If I say shame, if F9 is pass mark to this government, truly, I don't understand it. My people, I just come, you see say me, this one, I short of words, I don't fit talk. But the truth of the matter be say, I dare here now, the thing don't vex me again. Because the truth of the matter be say, as this government they go, if we keep quiet, this government will sell Nigeria. And they go sell them. If they want to sell them, they go sell them to person when he be say, he go use Nigeria to, he go use and do what he like. My people, they don't care about us. This government don't care about us. They don't send us. Now, 2023 is the problem that they have now. I want to call the youth. I want to call everybody when they love Nigeria. In 2020, in fact, I want to tell now, in 2023, if PAPC and PDP still come to power, that means Nigeria is. You know, let me do it again. Nigeria is. Thank you. That means Nigeria is history. If APC and PDP still come to power, my people, make una use Naira. If you don't use your Naira, matter go worse. My people, as we see and reach now, we soon come say make we tell una say Nigeria, it don't stay sit down for things when we don't understand. Make we help Nigeria. Make we help Nigeria, save Nigeria from this quagmire when they find themselves. Because the government, when we get, truth not in their mouth. Truth not in their mouth. So my people, now so we see and reach. In case you never subscribe, just subscribe. so that you get the news when we dey give am. And you also follow us in all our social media handle. AU David is the name on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, even on your WhatsApp. Just type AU David and the thing will come. My people, until we meet, make una remain blessed. Make we go rest.